Ever start a woodworking project thinking it would take an hour, then find yourself stuck after watching 3 YouTube tutorials? We've all been there. That's why here at Next Cart Reviews, we focus on tools that actually make your work easier. No fluff, no gimmicks, just smart woodworking tools and gadgets worth your time. If you love building, carving, or creating, hit subscribe and stay ahead of the game. Now, let's get started. Clamping awkward workpieces can be frustrating, especially when nothing seems to stay in place. That's where this Dovetail clamp shines. Designed for speed and convenience, it delivers serious holding power while being easy to operate with just one hand. The anti-slip padded jaw keeps materials secure without leaving marks, even on delicate surfaces. Whether you're building jigs, shop fixtures, sleds, or custom woodworking projects, this clamp locks everything down quickly and reliably. It's one of those simple tools that instantly makes your workflow smoother and more efficient. Great projects start with accurate measurements. This precision layout ruler combines multiple functions into one compact tool. Laser-etched markings stay visible over time, while the built-in angle references help speed up layout work. It also includes a retractable support ledge for added stability when marking edges and corners. Instead of switching between multiple measuring tools, everything you need is built into a single design. For woodworkers who care about clean layouts and accurate cuts, this tool can quickly become a workshop favorite. A solid workspace can completely change how a project feels. The Burr Centipede was designed to provide a sturdy work surface wherever you need it. It unfolds in seconds and supports heavy loads without feeling unstable. Despite its strength, it's lightweight enough to transport easily between job sites and workshops. The flexible structure adapts to different tasks, while included accessories help secure materials during cutting, sanding, and assembly. If you need a portable workstation that doesn't compromise on stability, this setup delivers impressive performance. Safety and precision rarely come together as well as they do with the GRR Ripper. Unlike ordinary push blocks, this system controls material from multiple directions at once. It keeps stock firmly pressed down, against the fence, and moving forward through the cut. The result is smoother cuts, better control, and significantly improved safety. Adjustable components allow it to handle a wide variety of woodworking tasks. Whether you're working with table saws, routers, or joiners, this tool helps turn challenging cuts into controlled, repeatable operations. Nothing slows down a project faster than worn-out sanding discs. These quick-change discs are built to cut aggressively while lasting longer than typical alternatives. The premium abrasive material removes stock efficiently while reducing heat buildup during use. Their quick lock design also makes swapping discs incredibly fast, helping you spend more time working and less time changing accessories. Suitable for metalworking, woodworking, fabrication, and general shop use, they're the kind of consumable upgrade that improves performance every time you pick up a tool. Every workshop needs a tool that can handle rough cutting jobs without hesitation. This cordless reciprocating saw brings serious cutting power in a compact package. Capable of cutting through wood, metal, plastic, and branches, it delivers impressive versatility for both job sites and home projects. Its lightweight design improves handling, while vibration reduction helps maintain control during demanding cuts. Fast blade changes and cordless convenience make it even easier to use. When speed matters more than perfect finish quality, this is the tool you'll reach for first. Accurate drilling starts long before the drill bit touches the material. This automatic center punch helps create precise starting points without requiring a hammer. Simply position the tip and apply pressure to create a clean indentation exactly where you need it. The adjustable impact strength allows it to work across different materials, including wood, metal, glass, and plastic. Compact enough to fit in a pocket, yet useful enough to use regularly, it's one of those tools that quietly improves accuracy on almost every project. A workbench is only useful if it fits your workflow. The Pegasus folding workbench combines portability with impressive strength, creating a workstation that adapts to a wide range of projects. Integrated clamping options help secure materials quickly, while the folding design allows easy storage when space is limited.
Whether you're cutting, sanding, assembling, or repairing, it provides a stable platform that feels much larger than its footprint suggests. For DIY users and professionals alike, it's a practical solution that brings flexibility to any workspace.
Few tools are as versatile as a quality oscillating multi-tool. This one handles cutting, sanding, scraping, grinding, and detail work with ease. Variable speed control allows it to adapt to different materials, while the quick change accessory system keeps projects moving efficiently. Tight spaces, flush cuts, drywall work, trim adjustments, and renovation tasks all become easier with a tool like this. Instead of reaching for multiple tools, you can often solve the problem with one. That's exactly why multi-tools have become a staple in modern workshops. Strong joints can make or break a woodworking project. The Milescraft Joint Mate takes the guesswork out of doweling by helping you create accurate, repeatable joints with minimal setup. Its self-centering design automatically aligns on the workpiece, while hardened steel bushings guide your drill bit exactly where it needs to go. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or simple shop projects, it helps produce cleaner assembly and stronger connections. Even beginners can achieve professional-looking results without spending hours measuring and aligning every hole. When standard bits struggle, Tungsten Carbide burrs step in. Designed for shaping, grinding, carving, deburring, and material removal, these bits handle everything from steel and aluminum to wood and plastics. Their double-cut design removes material efficiently while maintaining control during detailed work. Unlike ordinary bits that dull quickly, carbide burrs stay sharp significantly longer under heavy use. Whether you're cleaning welds, refining metal parts, or carving intricate details, this set turns rotary tools and die grinders into serious precision machines. Dropping a screw behind a cabinet or workbench happens to everyone. This magnetic pickup flashlight is designed for exactly those situations. Combining a flexible retrieval tool with a built-in LED light, it helps you reach deep into dark spaces while keeping both hands free. The magnetic tip grabs screws, bolts, and small metal parts with ease, while the flexible neck bends around obstacles. Compact, practical, and surprisingly useful, it's the kind of tool you don't think about until you need it, and then wonder how you ever worked without it. Installing cabinet hinges can be one of the most frustrating parts of furniture building. This hinge drilling jig makes the process far easier by helping create perfectly positioned cup holes with consistent accuracy. The guided design keeps drilling aligned, while the secure clamping system prevents movement during operation. Built-in dust collection compatibility also helps keep the workspace cleaner. Whether you're upgrading kitchen cabinets or building custom furniture, this jig reduces mistakes and speeds up installation dramatically. For cabinet work, it can save both time and frustration. Applying wood glue sounds simple until you're dealing with drips, waste, and uneven coverage. The Glue Mate was designed to solve those problems. Its dual-chamber system delivers smooth and controlled glue flow, while interchangeable tips allow both detailed application and wider coverage. It works comfortably from almost any angle, making awkward glue-ups easier to manage. Whether you're assembling furniture, joining trim pieces, or tackling detailed woodworking projects, this bottle helps keep glue exactly where you want it. Cleaner glue-ups often lead to cleaner finished projects. Every workshop benefits from having a reliable handsaw nearby. This folding saw combines portability with impressive cutting performance. The aggressive tooth design cuts quickly through branches, lumber, plastic, and other materials, while remaining easy to control. When not in use, the blade folds safely into the handle for convenient storage and transport. Its comfortable grip improves handling during longer cuts, making it useful for both workshop and outdoor projects. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, it's the kind of tool that earns its place quickly. Drilling clean holes in different materials often requires multiple bits. A step drill simplifies the process by allowing one tool to create a range of hole sizes. This version features a durable coating designed to improve longevity and reduce wear during demanding tasks. The stepped design also helps produce cleaner holes with less grabbing compared to traditional drill bits.
Suitable for metal, plastic, wood, and sheet materials, it's particularly useful when working on fabrication, installation, and repair projects. Convenience and versatility are exactly what makes step bits so popular.
Restoring detailed woodwork can be challenging when standard scrapers can't reach the shape you're working on. This contour scraper set includes multiple blade profiles designed to match different curves, moldings, and decorative edges. The precision ground blades remove paint, finishes, and buildup while preserving the original shape underneath. A comfortable handle improves control, and quick blade changes allow you to switch profiles in seconds. For furniture restoration, trim work, and detailed woodworking projects, these specialized scrapers can produce results that ordinary tools simply can't match.
Painting or finishing a project often means waiting for one side to dry before flipping it over. Painting pyramid stands eliminate that delay by lifting the workpiece above the surface. This allows you to finish multiple sides at once while minimizing contact marks. Their compact design supports a surprising amount of weight while keeping projects stable during painting, staining, sealing, and finishing. When the job is done, they stack neatly for storage. It's a simple idea, but one that can save a considerable amount of time during finishing work.
Enjoyed that tool? We've got plenty more coming your way. Drop a like, let us know your favorite gadget in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Cart Reviews. Whether you're building, fixing, or creating, we're here to help you find the tools that make every project better. See you in the next one.